Now it seems like springtime is popping up in every retail store I go into, so it only makes sense that I bring you some springtime DIYs. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. Now for my first DIY, I'm going to take these wooden flower pots that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and we are going to make some really cute magnets with these. Now I'm also using my magnets that you see there from Dollar Tree, and also some boxwood pieces. You can get the boxwood pieces at Dollar Tree, and ironically enough, I have seen these wooden flower pots now at Dollar Tree as well in some of the springtime. Now they're a little hard to hold on to, but you're going to grab your little pots and you're going to start painting them. Now, I painted mine with a cream base originally, and then I kind of wanted to make them look more like terracotta. So I took some of my antiquing wax from Waverly and started to kind of dab this on. And then I just kind of kept doing it, honestly, until I liked the way it looked. And then I went and added in some orange because I wanted to get that kind of terracotta look. They're a little hard to hold on to, I swear. And I keep dropping them, as you can see. But I am kind of painting them and kind of moving forward. And then when it finally got to a terracotta-esque color, I was happy. Then I took my boxwood pieces and literally just kind of cut off some of the tips, glued them down inside my little pots, and created two little cute, adorable pots here. And then I wanted to add some magnets onto the back of them. These are literally going to just kind of dress up my pegboard. How cute would these be for your refrigerator or your kitchen? I love them so much. Now this next DIY is going to involve some wax. Now you can either use wax chips like this, or you can use these Dollar Tree candles. I love working with these. Now I've also got some glue dots and some wicks. These are totally optional. You could use wicks from really anywhere, and then some essential oils. I did grab this essential oil from Dollar Tree. This pie pan I picked up during my Walmart haul. If you missed that video, definitely check it out. It's here on YouTube. We're going to remove that sticker, and then we're going to I guess add some other stickers down in the bottom of it, because these are the glue dots that we're going to be using for our wicks. Now this again is totally optional. They worked out okay. I wouldn't say that they were great. I probably should have added a little bit of super glue or something to them. The wicks, again, if you have wicks from Dollar Tree or somewhere else, go for it. Boil your candles until you get a until your wax is melted. You're going to definitely add some of those essential oils and get those cooking as well. When everything is melted, you are going to very carefully pour this into your pie pan. And when it's all done, you've got the cutest candle. How adorable is this? I'm probably going to put this on my front porch. Now, I'm going to be taking some of these crystal knobs, or these plastic crystal knobs from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be creating a really cute coat rack, or a kind of a coat rack. We'll call it a coat rack. I have this piece of wood that I grabbed from Goodwill the last time I went there. It was just a couple dollars, and it was kind of perfect. It was already painted. Everything was great. Now, I did go ahead and just kind of pre-measure this. I just kind of took the spacing and then just kind of evenly spaced out these 3 marks that you see here. Now, I am going to drill holes into my piece of wood. I'm going to do that with my drill that you see right here, but I'm doing that off camera because I'm trying to be careful. And I wanted to just go ahead and make sure those 3 holes were as even as possible, which is why I did use my ruler. Not my norm. Usually I just eyeball things. Now, these knobs are definitely a little long. You can cut them off either with a pair of lineman pliers and a lot of strength, or a Dremel tool, anything like that. Even a metal saw would work perfectly fine, some kind of a hacksaw or something. I went ahead and just kind of added mine, and then I just used my lineman pliers. It was very difficult, but it did eventually come off. And then I just added my knobs like you see here. Once I had all 3 knobs, I wasn't too concerned about the kind of nuts or the bolts that are kind of on the other side there, because you can add some tape or something to them. Also, these hanging picture hooks that I'm using will stick out just a little bit, so they're not going to affect the wall. I love the way this looks. I think that this is super cute and the perfect addition to your kind of farmhouse decor. Now for this next DIY, any of these kind of rag rugs that you can find at Dollar Tree will work. Also, fabric works really, really great. For this particular one, I am going to take or at least one side of this, and we are going to remove the fringe. You can save that. You can use that for another project. Totally up to you. Then you're going to take the unfringed side and you're going to fold that over about a quarter of the way. Once you've got that one side glued down, then you're going to take your fringe and flip it over and overlap it, gluing the ends together. Go ahead and stuff your now pillow with your kind of polyfill or whatever you have on hand, and you've got a cute pillow for your couch. Now this next DIY kind of involves a little bit of everything. I've got this scarf from Dollar Tree that I thought was so sweet. I've been hanging on to this for a while. This bike actually came from Deco Art, and I've had this for a while as well. These roses are kind of like paper roses, and I ordered these on Amazon last year for a Valentine's Day project, and then these were just kind of the leftovers. And then this wreath form I've had. Now my bicycle, I originally took this and was using my Arteza paint markers, and I was going to town. I was kind of liking it at first, and I don't know, there was just something about it once I got it done that I wasn't as happy with. Even though I think it's pretty cute, I decided to go in a totally different direction. So we'll do that. We'll show you more of that soon. Now, for that scarf, I am making little bundles. I'm taking my floral wire and just kind of bundling them up, and then I'm cutting them. I'm cutting them away from the wreath form because I am going to be stuffing these little kind of poofs into the wreath because I wanted to give the illusion like the scarf was kind of wrapping around the wreath without it actually wrapping around the wreath, because I wouldn't have had enough to go all the way around. Now I'm going to take my little roses and we are just going to be gluing them down kind of sporadically throughout the wreath form. Shout out to my friend Sarah Jane over at Chic on the Cheap. She actually suggested that I use like a lamb's ear kind of base for this, and I think that this is really gorgeous. Now I added my bicycle. I took it outside. I spray painted it white. I love the way that this looks so much. To me, this is just quintessential springtime. It is gorgeous. I love the colors, and I really love the way it looks on my bright yellow door. I am ready for springtime. I am tired of freezing my booty off. Now, sometimes a DIY can be very simple. Literally, take 3 pots. These came from Dollar Tree. You can get them from Home Depot, Walmart. Plant some beautiful flowers for yourself. First of all, you deserve it. Second of all, I love the pop of color. I love how when you go onto my front porch, right by my front door, you see these gorgeous flowers. These are fall friendly, by the way, and I love the way these turned out. All right, you guys, that's today's video. Let me know in the comments below which projects were your favorite. Be sure and like and comment and subscribe and all that other jazz to the channel. Also, I wanted to give you guys an update since I've been starting the kind of free pantry initiative through Crafty Cares. I've been able to make now 4 different drops to our little free pantry. We have 2 different little free pantries. We have one that is non-perishable food items, and then we also have one that is personal hygiene items. And I'm very thankful that you guys are watching, because it's enabling me to kind of continue that Crafty Cares mission. Remember, if you guys are also making any kind of Crafty Cares donations or drops or anything, be sure and tag me when you do. I would love to share it on my Instagram for you. All right, guys, take care, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, I'm super excited. I'm glad. Now every retail in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now every springtime. All right, everybody, I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you enjoyed these projects today. Hey, everybody, everybody, I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you. Update the little free pantry that has the non-perishable items and the hygiene donations or any kind of Fruit pantry. Hi, I hope that you enjoyed this video.